While dinosaurs were certainly formidable, there are some prehistoric creatures that might give them a run for their money in the scariness department. Here are three that stand out. Megalodon. This giant prehistoric shark, which lived around 23 to 3.6 million years ago, was one of the largest and most powerful predators ever to roam the oceans. Estimates suggest it could grow up to 60 feet long, with jaws capable of crushing bones. Therizinosaurus.
Therizinosaurus had really long claws, about 3 feet long, which it probably used for protection and eating plants. It was a large dinosaur, about 36 feet long. It lived around 70 million years ago. In what is now Mongolia, its unusual combination of features makes the Therizinosaurus one of the most fascinating dinosaurs.
Titanoboa. The Titanoboa was a gigantic snake that lived about 60 million years ago, shortly after the dinosaurs went extinct. It reached lengths of up to 42 feet and weighed around 2,500 pounds. Its size and constriction ability make it a particularly fearsome predator. These creatures are known for their immense size and power, making them some of the most formidable animals to have ever lived.